Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be doing a Telfar unboxing, so make sure you guys stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so for those who don't know about Telfar, it is a black-owned business. Number one, Telfar came out in 2005. The designer is Telfar Clemens. And guess what, y'all? This is a unisex brand, okay? So we're going to get right into this unboxing because I'm excited. If y'all didn't know, I love my Telfar just as much as I love my MCM. And y'all know I love my MCM. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot more of Telfar, okay? Just an FYI, Telfar does drop bags weekly, but you guys have to be on the lookout because these bags sell out in minutes, okay? I ordered my bags at 9 o'clock on the dot, and by 9:05 they were all gone. So that says a lot about the brand, but the good thing about it is, yeah, I ordered these bags and the next day they came. Who else y'all know doing that? Okay, like, for real, let's be real. Who else you know is doing next day shipping and really mean it? Oh. Okay, y'all, let's get into the details real quick because, oh my God. Oh my gosh. See, I like the little things, but we're not even going to get into that right now. Y'all. Okay, so I ordered my mini white Telfar. Yeah. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing when I carry this little bag. As y'all can see, it comes with a dust bag, and oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. We gotta get into the tea real quick. We gotta get into the tea. Yeah. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing when I carry this little Telfar, okay? This is so cute. Y'all know I love a good micro bag. The only thing I don't like about Telfar is the straps. You gotta do something with the straps. Like, you gotta get the straps a little, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying. Hold on, y'all. Let me gather my thoughts together. Okay, so like I was saying about the straps. So you kind of got to play with it a little bit, carry it a few times, because as you guys can see, when you first open it, like, they look a little, you know what I'm saying, a little janky, but that's okay because when you style it, it be real cute. And you got to put some stuff in it because, yeah, it don't really be having a shape when you first get it. But this is a very durable bag. I love my Telfars, my medium ones. This was my first small version, and I'm actually impressed. I didn't expect it to be bigger than this. I knew it was going to be a micro bag. Okay, so when I say I fell in love with this cobalt blue, yeah, I fell in love with this color, okay? I'm gonna let y'all know something right now. I'm not ordering no more minis. I'm getting all mediums, okay? Because this color right here, it needs to be seen way larger, okay? Way larger. So, don't get me wrong. I love these micro bags, but if I would have got the medium, y'all, it would have been over, okay? It would have been over. So I want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you don't have one already, you guys need to go get a Telfar. I forgot to mention that the mini ones are only $150. So next drop, y'all better be on it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.